Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to design this logo using the golden circle. Make sure watch to until the end of the video and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. So let's get started. Select the ellipse tool. Hold Alt and Shift and draw a circle like this. Okay. Now select this. Press Ctrl plus C to copy and press Ctrl plus F to front paste. Hold Alt and Shift and make some smaller. Like this. After that, select all. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. And place it like this. Perfect. Now select the rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle from this to this path. Now select this. Hold Alt and copy. Now select this. Hold Alt and make some longer on both sides. Now go to the Rotate tool. Double-click on the Rotate tool. Now rotate this 16 degrees. And click OK. After that, place it like this. Now with the rectangle tool, draw a circle from this to this line. Hold the Shift and place it on this side. Now select this. Right-click on the mouse. Go to the Transform, Reflect, and Copy. Now hold Shift and intersect with this. Select this. And place it here. Hold Shift and rotate. Now hold Alt and lengthen on both sides. And place it here, like this. Okay, after that, select the ellipse tool. Draw a circle. And place it here. Hold Shift and make some bigger. Select this. Hold Alt and copy and place it into this side. After that, select the Line Segment tool. Draw a line from here. After that, draw a line like this. Now select this. Go to the Transform, Reflect, and Copy. Hold the Shift and place it here. Now draw a circle here. Select this. Hold Alt and copy. Okay, after that, select all, and go to the Shape Builder tool. Select a color from here. Now, click and drag to join these parts. Join every small part carefully. Hold Shift and select this shape. And drag it out. Select these extra parts and press Delete. Now select this, and stroke color none from here. Now select this. And take this color. Okay, our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.